In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply for Progressive Insurance. If you're ready to get insured, the process is pretty straightforward, and I'll walk you through it in a clear and simple way so you know exactly what to expect. To begin, go to Progressive and request a quote. You can do this directly on the Progressive website, through the Progressive mobile app, by calling a representative, or by working with a licensed insurance agent. The online option is usually the fastest if you want to compare choices at your own pace, while calling or using an agent can be helpful if you'd rather have someone guide you through the process. Next, provide your information. This is the main part of the application, and having everything ready ahead of time can make things much easier. You'll typically need your full name, date of birth, and address. You'll also need your driver's license information along with details about your vehicle, such as the year, make, model, and VIN if you have it available. In addition to that, be prepared to share your driving history and your current insurance information if you already have coverage. The more accurate your information is, the more accurate your quote will be. After that, select your coverage. This is where you choose the types of protection that fit your situation. Common options include liability coverage, collision, comprehensive, and uninsured or underinsured motorist coverage. You may also see optional protections like roadside assistance or rental reimbursement. As you make your choices, think about your budget, how often you drive, and how much financial protection you want if something happens. Once you've made your selections, review your quote carefully. Take a close look at the premium, your deductibles, and any discounts you may qualify for. This is an important step because small adjustments to your coverage can sometimes change the price significantly. If needed, you can go back and adjust your coverage before moving forward. When everything looks right, complete your application. Confirm that all of your information is correct, choose your policy's effective date, and provide your payment details. Be sure to double check the effective date so your coverage starts when you need it. Finally, receive your policy documents. Once your application is approved and your first payment has been processed, you'll get your insurance documents and proof of insurance. You can usually access these online through the Progressive app or by mail, depending on the option you choose.